Racing Jazz is started. We have Top Gunner break quickly at the start. Pilya is running by the Ultimate Royal. Then comes Isla de Romero. Litong Lito comes next. Then followed now by Olympic Gold. Alongside comes Iskina Copernicus secondless, while Mighty G is the early trailer by about 14 lengths. Of the leader we have Ultimate Royal enjoying a length and a half lead. Lito now in second, moving up on the outside is Isla de Romero. Then next on line is Top Gunner, then followed now by Pilya. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Litong Lito by Orling and a half. And in second is Ultimate Royal. Isla del Romero comes next, then followed by Top Gunner. With about 150 meters more to run, we have Litong Lito by our link. Then here comes moving upon the outside is Top Gunner, but it's still Litong Lito followed by Ultimate Royal, Top Gunner, and finally it's going to be Top Gunner. Litong Lito, then comes Ultimate Royal.
Okay. 3A Top Gunner crossing the wire first with JB Hernandez.